How to make creamy cejeta sauce, easy homemade recipe. Hey there, foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're whipping up something absolutely decadent and versatile cejeta sauce. This creamy, caramel-like sauce is perfect for drizzling over ice cream, pancakes, waffles, or even using it as a dip for fruit. Trust me, once you make this at home, you'll never go back to store-bought caramel again. So, let's dive into the recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups of goat's milk, you can also use cow's milk if you prefer. 1 cup of granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. A pinch of salt. Instructions. To start, pour 2 cups of goat's milk into a saucepan. Now, if you can't find goat's milk, don't worry, you can use regular cow's milk as well. But trust me, the goat's milk adds a unique flavor that's truly irresistible. Next, add 1 cup of granulated sugar to the milk. Now, cejeta is all about that rich, caramel flavor, and the sugar is going to help us achieve just that. Place the saucepan over medium heat and stir continuously until the sugar has completely dissolved. This should take about 5-7 minutes. Once the sugar has dissolved, reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer gently. You want it to reduce and thicken slowly, so be patient with this step. After about 45 minutes to an hour of simmering, your cejeta sauce should have thickened beautifully. It should have a rich, caramel color and a velvety smooth texture. Now, for that extra flavor dimension, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt to balance out the sweetness. Give it a good stir to incorporate everything evenly. And there you have it, folks. Creamy, dreamy cejeta sauce ready to elevate any dessert or snack to a whole new level of deliciousness. Just look at that silky smooth texture. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes like this one. And don't forget to let me know in the comments how you plan to enjoy your cejeta sauce. Until next time, happy cooking.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.